Gustav Johnson, Gustaf Johnson.
Alright, what's your duty title?
I am the RF Transmissions NCOIC.
What does that mean?
I'm the non-commissioned officer in charge of radio communications for the 142nd Fighter Wing. Well, we're going to be deploying a team of 8 personnel down to Puerto Rico to set up emergency communications for the National Guard and civilian first responders.
So what does it mean to be setting up communications? How are you going to do that?
Well, we have a rapid deployment package called the JISCC. It's a Joint Communications Capability that interfaces with the civilians and the military personnel that are on the ground. During Hurricane Katrina, they had identified a problem that there was a communication breakdown between the military and the civilians. They couldn't talk to one another. So what the JISCC does is that provides interoperability between the two. So lessons learned from Katrina were when we deployed down there, we took a strictly military communication system, and we were working with the 41st Brigade. When the civilian first responders arrived and needed access to phones or internet, we were unable to provide them due to the fact that we were on a military network. We also, at the time in Katrina, we took a combat communications squadron of around 40 people were down there. With the JISCC, it's lightweight, versatile. We only need 8 people to run 24-hour operations. Oh, we're extremely proud. Part of our job is the domestic support of civil authorities. It's what we train for on a monthly basis. So to actually be able to go out and provide the services that we've been training so hard for is, we all take a lot of pride in that.